we're going to see who we think has the worst accent. Okay, Mackenzie, how do you say that word?
Con.
Can.
Window.
Window. Toilet.
Water.
Water.
That's a tire.
It says tire.
Tire.
What do you call the thing that you push in a shopping, when you go to the grocery store? Buggy. What is the, like Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew?
Pop.
I call it a Coke. What is the thing that it turns on and you use it to clean your floors? It sucks the stuff out off the floor when you got dirt on the floor.
Sweeper.
Sweeper. Well, some people call it a vacuum. What is the thing that you rest your head on at night?
Pillow.
Pillow.